You don't just want a place to live, you want a place to thrive. At the newly renovated Fox Island Apartment Homes, we've created a community designed with your lifestyle in mind. Overlooking the Fox River, Fox Island residents enjoy the convenience of shopping, dining, local casinos, and businesses nearby via easy access to I-88 and Route 33. Our studio and one-bedroom floor plans have been crafted with all the practical amenities and stylish touches you're looking for, including available furnished units, air conditioning, ceiling fans, carpeting, tile floors, plus cable and satellite access. Recreation is right outside your door at Fox Island. For added convenience and peace of mind, we offer on-site laundry facilities, elevator service, quick access to public transportation, and the security of controlled access living. If you have a furry friend, you can rest easy knowing that we gladly allow pets with only a few restrictions. Just call for details. You'll enjoy the comforts of home while relishing in the community atmosphere that we can offer you. Schedule a personalized tour with a member of our professional management staff today. Come home to Fox Island, a place where convenience, recreation, and style blend in perfect harmony.